My name is Courtney Merrill, and this is my discussion board post for week one. It's good to see a few familiar faces in here. It all sounds like we're about at the same place in our educational journey, so I'm excited to see you guys and see where you guys are going. So, once again, my name is Courtney Merrill. I live in Modesto, California, where I work for a Head Start program in the Empire Union School District. Right now, I'm currently serving as a roving teacher, and I've worked for this program for almost 5 years, serving in different roles. I was first a home-based educator, then I was a toddler teacher, and now I am a roving teacher where I get to support all the classrooms and our teachers. And I also get to get a little bit more experience as a programmatic or on the programmatic side of things, which is really exciting because I think that aligns with my next steps and my education in moving into more of a leadership role. So I'm really excited to see where it goes and where it takes me. So to answer this week's questions in the text, the leadership theory that I really identified with was the transformational theory. The authors described this as one, they described this theory as one where leaders build genuine trust between themselves and followers and empower followers so they move to higher levels of self-actualization. I really thought this was important because when you're leading a team of educators and staff, you not only want to have a high level of trust, but you want them to feel empowered, so they want to develop and grow in their capacity. And in terms of the early childhood leadership and action model, I believe it does have a great potential to be quite effective. One thing that the book pointed out was that all of the elements kind of blended together, but at the very core of it, it was embedded in relationships. And I feel very strongly about positive relationships between leaders and teachers because in all facets, we all leverage off each other for certain things. As a leader, we entrust and want our teachers to create inclusive, safe, warm, and responsive environments. And in order to do so, the adults in our program also need to feel like their needs are being met and that they are feeling supported. So when you have that deep level of trust and you're utilizing all these components, then this shows that leaders have positive and warm relationships with the staff. And when they do that, it translates to higher levels of quality. Teachers feel more supported and supervisors feel like they're actually looking at bigger picture things versus, constantly putting out fires that teachers are facing in the classroom.